Hi kindergartners, we're going to make colorful rain, and the items you will need is a stick to mix, some food coloring, and some oil, and a jar of water. And what you're going to do is my food coloring is not a dripping food coloring, but you'll add about, let's say 12 to 14 dots. So I'm just going to estimate on what that would look like. Might have done a little bit too much, but it doesn't hurt it. And then I need a napkin. After you get the food coloring into the jar of oil, you are going to mix it until it's all mixed around. And then after it's all mixed around, it kind of looks dark and black, but if you look closely, you'll see little balls of food coloring in the oil. Yikes. Ugh. Food coloring is very messy for Teacher Jen. All right, so then what you're going to do is after it's all mixed around, you're going to pour it into the jar of water. And water and oil don't mix, so the oil is going to float onto the top of the water. And you're just going to watch what happens. Let's see if I can find a better angle so you guys can actually see it through the... Ooh, here we go. Okay. I think that's a little bit better. And you're going to watch what happens. And you'll notice it'll start to look like it rains little droplets of food coloring. So the food coloring is separating itself from the oil. And it's looking like it's raining. I only picked the color green, so mine's raining green. And it starts with little bits. And then it gets more and more. And we call that colorful rain. It's super cool. All right, have fun, kindergartners.